Tampa's still in the lower 80s. I've got some rain off the east coast of our state, some rain off the west coast of our state. And I'll bet there's some folks, if you're in Pinellas County and you're close enough to the coast, just kind of look out to the west. Look at all this lightning. I'll bet it's a big old light show out there first thing this morning. Nothing is threatening the coast this morning. That is really the most important thing. It's just kind of running parallel to it. 82 in St. Petersburg. Excuse me. I had a lot of 77s for you. Newport Richey, Lakeland, Winter Haven, Bartow, just to name a few of those. It'd probably take me 5 minutes to name all the 77s. In general today, what we're doing is we're just compiling more deep tropical moisture. And over the next couple of days, that deep tropical moisture is just going to translate into some rain. And it's not anything organized. It's just deep tropical moisture. And we're going to have to deal with this 60 to 70% rain chance today, 70% rain chance for tomorrow, and then into the weekend as well. But I want to tell you that first thing that we're going to do is get up into the mid-90s again. The heat, the humidity coming right back. Then at about 3 or 4 o'clock, you'll start to see some hints with a few showers and storms. But between 6 and 7, at least the way the Fox model's playing it out, big area of storms develops back along the coast. You see how quickly that escalated? Then it all kind of drifts northeast to southwest, and even still 11 o'clock tonight, Sarasota may still have some storms. And then what do? We do the whole thing all over again tomorrow and on Saturday and on Sunday. Meanwhile, into the tropics, this little X, this little yellow X, there's a little bit of convection, a little bit of a spin. This is not projected to develop, but even if it does, it's not going to happen until it's well northeast of that position. So that's out of play. Dexter's gone, just about gone. It'll be off the map tomorrow. And then there's this area, which we've been watching, and you see how this is going to just generally float up, if you will, into the central Atlantic. So this little orange X with some convection wrapping around it will move to the northwest. Once it gets up into the central Atlantic, it's typically just going to continue from there. I mean, not many storms are going to go just straight due west. So this is what we do. We'll put a couple little circles on them, and you can watch this. Watch the time frame up here, Friday into Saturday. Pause it. Nothing going on there. Again, even if there is some development, this one's heading up into the central Atlantic. This other little low is just kind of spinning off the coast of New England. Then you got another area coming off the coast of Africa. But if you notice, between now and Monday, there's nothing imminent that's going to threaten the lower 48. And that's really the most important thing. It is the hurricane season. We're going to have storms form, okay? But at this point, between now and the middle to latter portion of next week, there are no threats to the United States, because you're going to go online today and you're going to start to see people posting all these 300-hour computer models. Ignore those. Please just ignore those, okay? Between now and the middle to latter portion of next week, we're not expecting anything. But we do need some rain. So far, very little rain for the month of August, and we're going to get some tropical downpours today and then going right through the weekend, okay? So 94 degrees today. Going to be a hot one again. 92 tomorrow, 92 going through the weekend. And notice the rain chances up 60 to 70% today, solid 70% tomorrow and Saturday.